everyone, thanks for joining me. Hopefully I'll get a lot of subscribers now coming along. This is one of my first videos, so please go gentle on me. It's just a bit of what I carry around to my TP3b. I believe the B is for the solid base on the bottom, which I have actually lined with a bit of grip tape. Don't know how good or how long it'll stay on. I've been using this now for probably 6 months now. Changed over quite a lot of the tools in there just to cater for different jobs and things. So let's just have a quick look, see what we've got in here. Obviously, the ever faithful Sharpies. Always go missing on site and always goes missing around where I work. People just seem to want to pick them up and wander off with them. I've got my little Stabila pocket level, which is perfect for carrying around on here. It actually looks quite snazzy. Expensive little bit of kit though, wouldn't like to lose it. They're both £13–14 on Amazon there, but a little lifesaver. Not lightsaver. And open up in here, I've got a little Wera stubby. I think I've just left the pH1 in there for a while, but that also is a little lifesaver. And on the side here, with my cabinet keys and things, I've got one of the little bit holders. Let me take that off there, show you properly. Got a little bit holder on there with all my bits for that. Another thing comes in very handy. I've got the knipex one, but I think this is just a cheaper one. I took the little posi and little flathead off there. Got some Allen keys in there. Nice Wera Allen keys. I do have the colour coded ones, but I wanted something smaller, something which was a bit less pricey. Just got a crimping tool there for RJ45s. This is all my own preference, and what I put in there is totally up to me. But I thought I'd just show you around it. And now, these are the knipex screwdrivers I'm using at the moment. Very, very nice piece of kit. I really find it hard to move away from the Wera, but these ones are very nice. Not too expensive. I think it was about £40 for the set. So you get a set of 6. 2 straight heads, 0.8 times 4 and 0.4 times 2.5s. Phillips 1 posi 1, Phillips 2 posi 2. They are very nice. If you ever get the chance, give them a whirl. And then got the demo screwdriver. This come in a lifesaver for jabbing, stabbing, getting through holes. These will take a right beating, and I do love them. And then probably one of my faves, the Wera ratchet screwdriver. Very good piece of kit. If I had to pick the one up, it would be this one. I've got the backer one. I use the Klein 11-in-1 as well, which is also a lovely screwdriver to use, the Klein 11-in-1. It's not the ratchet one, it's just the 11-in-1 feature, but this is good. It's got 2 joker spanners in there, ratchet spanners 10 and 13. Probably the most 2 common ones we use around. Punched on tool. Got a couple of tapes on the tape loop there. on to the knipex stuff I've got my knipex knife on the side. Handy little thing, never have too much knipex. I've got one of these on the pouch and one in the bag. Got the needle nose 25-06160, get a 180s, 200s, and I think 220s maybe. Drop me a little message if you want to. Please, like I say, be kind. And these ones, the 03-06160s. A lot of the ones on the tool pouch are my 160s, apart from these little things which I'm very impressed with. The little super snips. People are like, oh, why do you carry these when you've got them as well? And these are amazing for cable ties. We've all done it, cable tying something up in the rafters. You just cut the ends off, not flush. Oh, that one is shit. Let's have another go. Bit of rafters on a false ceiling or something, and you just cut them backward and you scag your arm. The Friday fucker gone all week and some twat has left them up there like that. With these little snips, apart from being very, very versatile, handy, and very good if you break your nail and you can get it down in there, you can get a lovely flush cut. Nobody calls you a twat as well, because if you do the whole run with these, it's nice and smart. Well, there's a little bit of a review. Not really a review, it's more of what I carry in here. You can alter it, you can change it around, you know, by all means. This is a tough old bugger. This thing, it just feels well made. You know, it's solid, it's moulded plastic in there. You know, it just, the whole thing feels great. So great, I don't think I would get rid of it even if I wasn't using it. That sounds a bit strange, but I think it would just be one of them ones I just keep. I've got all little bits in there, RJ45s, some of the bits for the stubby. I think there's some TX in there as well. But that is my little tool bag tool. Let's see, it all goes back in. Lovely jubbly. Get it all in. You know where things are going. Jam them in. Get them in there. Get a bit nice. Leave that one open there. And then what I've done on the sides, just put a couple of little extra loops and things. So over on this side, this is where just slide the knife through there and it stops it swinging off. Pliers. Oops, still you little bastard. Pliers in there. Needle nose in there. I've done them backwards. And in the sides there. Pop them in there. Because obviously when I'm carrying around the site, it just gives me a bit of peace of mind that it's not going to swing out when it shouldn't. Put that back on there. There's just a little loop I put on there, just a little Velcro loop. I actually glued that in there because this is the cheap one. I'm sure this isn't a knipex one. It kept hinging itself and falling off. So anyway, there you go. And that is that. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you would please subscribe. These videos will only get better. I'm just practicing out at the moment, giving it a little try. I'd like to thank Dan's Tool Room for also giving me a bit of go and do it, get on with it. So here we go. See how this one pans out, see if it looks any good, and see if I get any likes. Thanks for your time.